Let me show you a multiplication shortcut you will use for life. The question is 999 times 1001. Since both numbers are close to 1000, so we use the base method. And this becomes, since both are close to 1000, so this is 1000 minus 1, and this is 1000 plus 1. 1000 is the base for both. So here now we use the difference of two squares, and the difference of two squares says a squared minus b squared is the same as a plus b bracket a minus b. So look at what we have here now. This is 1000 minus 1 times 1000 plus 1. So here 1000 becomes the a and 1 becomes the b. So that here now we have, this becomes 1000 squared minus 1 squared. So what is 1000 squares? 1000 squared, this gives 1 million. So we have 6 zeros, then minus 1. And our answer becomes 999, then 999. That's 999,999. And please note that this works when the two numbers are the same distance away from a base number. That is, the distance that this one is 1 away from 1000. This one is also 1 away from 1000. So it works only when the two numbers are the same distance away from a base number, one above and one below. For example, let's say we want to multiply 49 by 49 times 51. You can see that the base here will be 50. 40 is 1 away from 50. 51 is 1 away from 50. 49 is 1 below, while 50 is 1 above. Another example is, let's say 32 times 32 times 28. The base number here will be 30, because 2 is 2, 32 is 2 more than 30, and 28 is 2 less than 30. So that is only when this will work.